Barakah Jewelry is marketed as a jewelry store offering elegant pieces with Islamic-inspired branding and values. The name may suggest that the business follows halal principles, but the real question is this store actually halal? Now, to be fair, using Islamic terms like barakah or promoting modest values doesn't automatically confirm that a business operates according to halal principles. Whether a store is considered halal depends on how it conducts its business and the products it sells. What it does well: elegant jewelry selection. The store offers a range of rings, necklaces, bracelets, and other accessories. Islamic-inspired branding. The products and branding may appeal to customers looking for faith-inspired or modest designs. Where the hype falls apart, the name doesn't prove halal compliance. An Islamic brand name alone doesn't verify that the business follows Islamic commercial practices. Check the materials. If you're purchasing gold or silver jewelry, verify the materials used and ensure they match the product description. Look for transparent business information. A trustworthy store should clearly provide contact details, shipping policies, and return information. So, should you buy from Barakah Jewelry? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the designs and the store has clear policies and positive independent reviews, it may be worth considering. But don't assume it halal solely because of its name or branding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.